Hi, my name is Nukmar Shamina Betishara Azmain from DKM3A. Matrix number 08 DKM22F1011. Today, I'm going to share about process of repairing a wall clock. So, the equipment needed is a new battery and a wall clock. For a start, the back of the clock is open. This is a 2023 clock, so we don't have a screw. So, see the clip, we have to open the clip. Please be careful while removing the frame, since most of the clock have a glass lens covering the faceplate. Next, the battery from the compartment is taken out by prying out with one finger. Then, the battery terminals in the compartment are cleaned by isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab. Avoid throwing away the old battery since it can be recycled or taken to household hazardous waste collection point. Make sure to dry the battery terminals with a paper towel or clean clothes so the terminals are not wet when the new battery is being inserted. After that, the glass lens that covering the faceplate is removed to make any adjustment. Thus, the display is turned up, followed by the time is corrected by moving the hands. And the new battery is inserted. New battery is inserted. Lastly, the faceplate is put back on, and all piece of the clock is assembled. In conclusion, fixing a wall clock doesn't require any household tools, and it won't take a lot of time and energy. It also doesn't need a professional to be able to fix a clock. That's all from me. Thank you.